The Notes app on your iPhone is great for storing private details, financial info, or personal records, but if someone else can access your phone, your data might not be safe. In this guide, we'll show you a few simple and reliable ways to lock your notes on iPhone 17, 16, or 15. Let's get started. Part 1. How to lock notes on iPhone. Lock a note on iPhone, iPad. Open the Notes app, select or create a note, tap the share icon, lock note, set and confirm your password. Repeat for other notes if needed. Lock notes with Touch ID. Open Settings, Notes, Password. Set a password. Enable Use Touch ID to unlock notes with your fingerprint. Lock all notes at once. Open the Notes app. Go to the main notes list. Tap Lock Now at the bottom to secure all notes. Part 2. How to change password for locked notes. Option 1. If you remember the old password, open Settings, Notes, Change Password. Enter your current password, create and confirm a new one. Option 2. If you forgot the old password, go to Settings, Notes, Reset Password. Enter your Apple ID password, create a new password and tap Done. Part 3. How to remove Notes password. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. Find the note that has the lock you want to remove. Enter your password or use Touch ID to unlock it. Tap the share icon in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the Remove Lock option to get rid of the password protection. Part 4. How to unlock notes with password or Touch ID. View a locked note. Open the Notes app. Tap the locked note and select View Note. Unlock with Touch ID or enter your password. Bonus. How to recover deleted locked notes on iPhone. If you can't unlock your notes, use Conductor for iOS to recover them from iCloud or iTunes backups. It can restore deleted or locked notes easily. How to recover deleted notes on iPhone with Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Download and install Conductor for iOS on your computer. Open the software and select Recover from iTunes backup file from the main interface. Step 2. The program will automatically scan your computer for iTunes backups. Choose the appropriate backup that contains the locked notes you want to recover, and click Start Scan. Step 3. Once the backup is loaded, click Notes from the list of recoverable data types, and click Start Scan again. Step 4. Preview the notes and select the ones you wish to recover. Click Recover to Computer to restore them to your computer.